Hello, Year Ones. This is our math lesson for Tuesday, June 16th. We are starting to learn about money. You probably know about money. When you go to the shop, it's very hard to buy anything if you don't have any money. Today, we're going to talk about the coins, the Kenyan shilling coins. There are 4 main Kenyan shilling coins. There are a few others, but they aren't used very often, so we're going to focus on these 4. First, let's look at the 1 shilling coin. 1 shilling, this coin with a lovely giraffe on it, says 1 shilling on the top, shilingi moja underneath, and it has a number 1 on it. We can write 1 shilling in words like this, or in numbers with the number 1, the numeral, and then KES. When we're talking about money, it's very important to use a label because different places in the world use different sorts of money. So when you're answering money questions, make sure you write KES, which stands for Kenyan shillings, at the end. So our first coin is the 1 shilling coin with a giraffe, you've got it. Our second coin is the 5 shilling coin. This has a rhinoceros. So we can write 5 shillings in words, and that's equal to the number 5, KES, Kenyan shillings. Our next coin is the 10 shilling coin. This one has a lion. All of the coins, I forgot to mention with the 5, but all of the coins should say the number of shillings in English on the top and Swahili on the bottom. 10 shillings in words equals 10 in numerals, KES. Our final coin that we'll be talking about is the 20 shilling coin. Again, it says 20 shillings on top, shilingi ishirini on the bottom. This one has an elephant. How cool. And it says 20 shillings with numerals right here. So we can write out 20 shillings in words, and that's the same as or equals 20 in numerals and KES. So let's practice our counting. When we count with 1 shilling coins, we count in ones. And just for your knowledge, this is the front of a 1 shilling coin, enlarged a little bit, and underneath is the back of a 1 shilling coin, which says the Republic of Kenya, and it has the Kenyan coat of arms, as well as the year in which the coin was minted or made. Let's practice counting in ones. I've made us a 10 square, 10 frame right here. So far, how many shillings do we have? That's right, 1. Can you help me count 1 by 1 up to 10? I bet you can. Are you ready? We're starting at 1. 1 more than 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Another important thing to note with coins, with the 1 shilling coin specifically, is that 100 1 shilling coins equals 100 shillings. We'll be talking about notes later in the week, so don't worry about that for now. This is just something that's quite helpful to know. 100 times 1 shilling coins equals 100 shillings. Now, let's move on to 5 shilling coins. Again, this coin has a rhinoceros on the front, and it has the Kenyan coat of arms and Republic of Kenya on the back. Let's practice counting in 5s. Will you count with me? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's pause there for a moment. How many coins does it take to make 50 shillings? Well, we have a nice 10 frame here, so we know it makes 10 5-bob coins to make 50 shillings. Let's count up to get to 100 shillings. So 50 plus 5 is 55, plus 5 more is 60, then 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. So how many 5-bob coins does it take for us to get to 100 shillings? Let's look. We have 1 10 frame and 2 10 frames, both of which are full. So 2 10s, we know that's 20. 20 5-shilling coins equals 100 shillings. Let's look at 10 shilling or 10-bob coins. The front of the 10-bob coin has a lion, and the back again has the Kenyan coat of arms. Can you help me count 3 in 10s up to 100? I know you can. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. How many 10-shilling coins does it take to make 100? That's right, it's 10. 10 10-shilling coins makes 100, but we know that because we know that 10 10s makes 100. Now, your individual task today is to count these coins. How much money does each person have? Remember, when you count your coins, you'll write your answer and KES. For example, equals, I won't tell you because I know you guys are really good at counting. KES. So I'll put my number, my numeral, right here. Sorry, the screen won't extend any further. And then KES. Again, that's very important because different countries around the world use different currencies. So, today you'll be counting in 1s with A and B, in 5s with C and D, and in 10s with E and F. Don't worry, I will also post your individual task as JPEG files on the Class Dojo class feed. Tomorrow, we'll be learning more about counting in 20-shilling coins. Those are a bit trickier. We know how to count in 2s, but we haven't learned to count in 20s yet. So, don't worry about that for today. Happy counting, and I look forward to seeing your individual learning. Thanks, and bye for now.